Now we're going to hop back over to this plan set, and we're going to go through our standard plans.
So yeah, this is kind of the M&S standard plans list. Again, this is an older sheet. It has changed through the years. And the only thing that's really changed is you've got a lot of boxes next to each particular item that you find in the standard plans list. The new sheet, you have a box next to every item. But the idea is the same. Basically, you are highlighting that box, filling in that box to indicate to the contractor, to the plan set, that this particular item within the M&S standards applies to this project. And really it's highlighting it, because the reality is the M&S standards will apply to all of our projects. And again, the M&S standards, what they are is they help define our projects. They help define consistency between all the projects throughout Colorado, not even an individual region. So if you were to dive into the M&S standards, pull them up, the first couple items actually deal with line styles. They present what, as we dive into the plans and we start looking at plan sheets and such, every line has its own style. Sometimes it's solid line, sometimes it's dashed, sometimes, it's bold, sometimes it's a grayscale. All of that has meaning, and a lot of that information can be found in the M&S standards to help define what that line represents. Other items in the M&S standards, you got a lot of details. The details represent anything from pipe installation, how you typically do that. We'd like to install our pipes the same manner throughout the region. Again, there's experience that says if you follow these rules, if you follow these dimensions, we're going to get the best results for the product. So that's what the M&S standards are. And again, this sheet is applied to every single project set, and it really is just trying to highlight those items that are associated with this project.